Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to enter Director Mode in GTA 5 Story Mode. Alright, let's begin. Director Mode allows you to take control of different characters and gives you creative freedom to set up custom scenes in GTA 5. To access it, you first need to open the Interaction menu. On PC, press the M key on your keyboard. On PlayStation or Xbox, hold the touchpad or view button on your controller. Once the Interaction menu opens, scroll down until you see the Director Mode option. Select it, and the game will load you into the casting trailer screen. Here, you can choose which character you want to play as, including story characters and other available actors. Before entering, you can also open the Settings menu inside Director Mode. This lets you change the time of day, weather conditions, and wanted level. After selecting your character, confirm your choice to enter Director Mode. Once inside Director Mode, you can open the Interaction menu again at any time. Director Mode is ideal for creating cinematic shots, role-play scenarios, or experimenting freely without mission limits. So that's basically how you can enter Director Mode in GTA 5 Story Mode. That's it for this video. Thanks.